Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but it's the end of the work day and I have a few visitors here, so I figured I'd grab the camera and record this. So I'm joined by my two sons and my wife, Jessica. It's baby Lucas. Can you wave, baby? Can you say hi? Hi. They're both a little camera shy. And this guy is Eli, my 5-year-old. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Eli, what are we doing here today? Why did you come out?
So we are boxing some chicks that we picked up from Tractor Supply Day.
Okay, we got some new chicks for our chicken coop.
And we got their little bin set up already.
Yep, we're all ready to go. We got our little brooder set up with a heat lamp and our food and water. All right, you want to go ahead? What do we got? How many chicks do we have? Can you tell the people what you're doing?
So I just did the first chick.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna do another one.
What do you have to let them do when you put them in the box? What do they have to drink?
Water.
So you stick their beaks in the water so they know where their water is? Do you remember what kind of chicks we got this time?
So we have Easter egg.
Easter eggers, and are the others Wyandottes?
Yep, so we also got Wyandottes. So, but apparently I don't know if this is an Easter egg or
I don't know. He might be better at this than I am. He's a natural at the camera.
Okay, so second we'll do, so we got 3 in there.
Okay.
Now we're gonna get 4. I do not remember how much dollars they cost.
Well, that's not so important.
Yes, that's right.
And what do you do with the eggs, Eli?
So I collect the eggs.
Do you sell them to the neighbors?
Yeah, we sell them to Mr. Winbeck.
Mm-hmm.
So this box is empty.
Okay.
So
You can just leave it for now.
okay. And so we have another box. Eggs.
Eli, are they gonna lay eggs right away?
You can't be. So then we got this whole box is black one for the rest.
So what kind are the black ones?
So these are the Easter eggs.
The black ones are the Easter eggers, right?
And so these are
And tell the people what color eggs Easter eggers are gonna lay.
So they are the like blue ones.
The blue ones. And what color do all our other chickens lay?
So they eventually like brownish yellow.
Brownish yellow ones, but these are new ones. These are gonna lay blue eggs.
No, that's for sure. So we just got 3 more in there. And we already got 3 black ones in there. So, and then there we go.
And Eli has a very nice chicken coop. We'll maybe have to show you one day when we put these out.
So, second we have...
He's been in the chicken business since he was a little tiny baby.
Yep. Oh, I forgot to introduce.
What? That's okay. That's okay. Keep it.
So second we have one in
That's the
here.
last one.
This is
All right.
likely one.
You did a great job.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Huh, look like a circle.
So I just wanted to take a minute to show you guys the family and my little guys here. And this is the other stuff we do besides lumber. We do a lot of our own gardening and chickens and stuff like that. So we appreciate you guys watching. Eli, can you say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Thanks, buddy. You did great. So he might take my job soon. It might become his channel sooner than later. So
I'm not gonna be in all the videos.
You're not going to be in all the videos?
Nope.
Okay. Well, maybe you'll make a guest appearance again sometime.
I'm gonna be in the next one.
You're going to be in the next one?
See you later.
All right. On that note, see you later. Thanks, guys. So Eli had one more thing he just was dying to say. So I'm going to let him speak his piece here.
So don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Okay. Thanks, guys. See you next time.